students, welcome to Introduction to Computing Online-Offline Mode video material. I am Ma'am Pauline M. Turion, your information technology teacher, and I will be discussing topics about Introduction to Computing course. Let's begin our ICT journey. Before we proceed with our lesson proper, let me discuss first about ICOM. It is designed to be functional, usable, and accessible across different devices, adaptable to your resources regardless of your background. It consists of video lessons presented into chunks or micro lessons, multimedia elements, and other features to make Introduction to Computing learning effective, efficient, and interesting. Moreover, it is customized to be flexible and easy to navigate for you to control your own learning rate, monitor your activities, and be accountable of your progress. Introduction to Computing course provides an overview of the computing industry and computing profession, including knowledge of the key components of computer systems, computer security, Internet and Internet protocols, HTML and CSS. ICOM is divided into three parts, including industry in the profession, components of computer system, and hypertext markup language or HTML. It also focuses on the topics that will develop analytical, logical, and critical thinking and technical skills. Moreover, a four-phase instruction model will guide you in navigating this video material. In this model, learning is problem-centered and learners are engaged in solving real-world problems. The flow of this video lesson will be activation, demonstration, application, and integration. No infringement of copyright is intended. Some photographs, graphics, and music utilized do not belong to the author. They are the property of their rightful owners. The name of the owner or organization, as well as the website address from where it was taken, were recognized and included in the reference list. This material is non-profit and for educational purposes only. Today, join me as we develop your life skills in Information and Communications Technology, or ICT. What do you think is the role of information technology in today's era? IT keeps important records of companies. It is also helpful in educational departments and professions. With the introduction of computers, the business world was changed and by using computers and software. Businesses use the IT and various software through computer to run their work in a proper way. But before we proceed with our discussion, let us look into the learning outcomes of today's session. To start our lesson, I have here an activity for you. What you are going to do is to identify the words you are familiar with. Is that clear? Okay, let's start. Look into this word cloud. Are they familiar to you? List down 10 words in your notebook. I will give you 10 seconds. How many have you identified? Okay, let us check your answers. Have you listed down the following words? Very good. We will discuss these words later as we go along with our topic. Before you venture out to buy computers, handheld and peripheral devices, or software, you should arm yourself with some basic knowledge about the computer and information technology industries. So bring out your pen and paper and join me as we build your knowledge towards a better future, one skill at a time. Is there a difference between the computer industry and the information technology industry? Anyone from the class? Yes, okay, very good. Computer industry encompasses those companies that manufacture computers and components. These are Apple, Dell, HP, IBM, and Intel, while IT industry is used to refer to the companies that develop, produce, sell, or support computers, software, and computer-related products. Is every company that uses computers part of the IT industry? Anybody? Okay, no. A bank uses computers to track money flowing into and out of accounts, but it is classified as part of the banking industry. Such businesses make use of information technology, but they are definitely not part of the computer industry and are not considered part of the IT industry either. What kinds of companies are included in the IT industry? Let us have a closer look at each one. First in line, equipment manufacturers. They design and manufacture computer hardware and communications products such as personal computers, mainframes, mice, monitors, storage devices, routers, scanners, and printers. Examples of these companies include computer manufacturers, IBM, Dell, Lenovo, and Hewlett-Packard, or HP. Next, we have chip makers. They design and manufacture computer chips and circuit boards, including microprocessors, RAM, system boards, sound cards, and graphics cards. Examples: Intel, Texas Instruments, AMD, and Taiwan Semiconductor. Another is software publishers. They create computer software including applications, operating systems, and programming languages. Examples of software companies include Microsoft, Adobe Systems, Oracle Corporation, Electronic Arts, and Computer Associates. Next is we have IT service companies. They provide computer-related services including business consulting, website design, web hosting, internet connections, computer equipment repair, network security, and product support. Classic examples of service companies include AOL, Google, and the computer consulting giant, which is Accenture. Lastly, we have computer retailers. They include companies that sell computer products through retail stores, direct sales representatives, mail order catalogs, and websites. Well-known computer resellers include CompUSA, which operates retail stores, and mail order retailers PC Connection and CDW. What is the significance of Silicon Valley? Have you heard about this? The area of California called Silicon Valley stretches south and east from San Francisco's Golden Gate Bridge, was the birthplace of integrated circuits, microprocessors, and personal computers. Today, well-known companies such as Cisco Systems, Sun Microsystems, Google, Apple, Symantec, AMD, Oracle, and Hewlett-Packard all have headquarters in our near California's Silicon Valley. Although Silicon Valley has a reputation as the home of the IT industry, many top IT players are located elsewhere. What are outsourcing and offshoring? Outsourcing is defined as the use of components or labor from outside suppliers. Most of computer companies do not manufacture all the components used to assemble their computers. Instead, they depend on components from other companies such as microprocessors from Intel, hard drives from Seagate, and LCD panels from Samsung. Software publishers also make use of outsourcing by hiring firms to develop products and manufacture packaging. Another technique used by companies to help keep product prices competitive is offshoring. It is defined as relocating business processes such as development and production to lower-cost locations in other countries. Computer manufacturer Dell Incorporated maintains a team of offshore technicians to staff customer call centers. It is common now to dial technical support and be connected to a technician on the other side of the world. How has the IT industry affected the global economy? IT industry has been described as the most dynamic, most prosperous, most economically beneficial industry the world has ever known. IT industry has unquestionably fueled the economies of many countries. Worldwide, consumers spend more than 1 trillion on information technology each year. What does the future holds for the IT industry? Population growth and business globalization are two important factors that have contributed to past investments in information technology. Keeping track of the information relating to all people certainly seems impossible without the use of computers. Obtaining competitive tools can be a requirement for success, so information technology would appear to have many potential customers in the expanding global business market. How are new computer hardware products developed? Two factors drive the development of new computer hardware products. We have marketing and technology. Hardware manufacturers introduce new products for the same reasons as their counterpart in other industries. New products are designed to attract customers and generate sales. New hardware products can also generate sales and add-ons and accessories. Example, Wi-Fi technology stimulated development of Wi-Fi hubs and cards, enabled notebook computers, internet access points in coffee shops and airports. What are the stages in the life cycle of a typical hardware product? First, product development. Create product specifications and prototype. Next, product announcement. Publicize information about new product features, advantages, and projected price. Next, introduction. Roll out the product at a trade show or press conference. Formalize the product's list price and begin to ship it to vendors and customers. Next, maintenance. Adjust manufacturing capacity to meet product demand. And finally, retirement. Discontinue manufacturing product and eventually discontinue product support. Is the life cycle of a software product similar to that of hardware product? Yes. Software, like hardware, begins with an idea that is shaped by a design team and marketing experts. Most software products undergo extensive testing before they are released. Unlike computer hardware products, older versions of software normally do not remain in the vendor's product line. Upgrading your existing software is usually less expensive than replacing it with a brand new program. Students, now that we have discussed computer and IT industries, it's time to have a short review. You will have 3 seconds to answer the following. Are you ready? Let's begin! Analogy. Select the related word from the given alternatives. If Dell is for equipment manufacturers, Intel is for? The correct answer is chip makers. Number 2. Most computer companies do not manufacture all the components used to assemble their computers. Instead, they depend on components from other companies such as microprocessors from Intel, hard drives from Seagate, and LCD panels from Samsung. What do they utilize? The correct answer is outsourcing. Number 3. True or false? Every company that uses computers is part of the IT industry. The correct answer is false. Question number 4. What are the 2 factors drive the development of new computer hardware products? And the correct answer is marketing and technology. Number 5. If Microsoft is for software publishers, CompUSA is for? The correct answer is computer retailers. Students, how many scores did you get? I am sure you got a high score in this activity And because of that, good job and congratulations! You often can complete tasks using technology in multiple ways. Figure out how to perform the task described in these exercises by using one or more resources available to you. As what we have mentioned a while ago, Microsoft is an example of software publishers. Who among of you here has a Microsoft account? Okay, so let us try to sign up for a Microsoft account. A Microsoft account provides access to several Microsoft services. These services include access to resources such as free email account, cloud storage, a location to store information about your contacts, and online calendar. You will need a Microsoft account to perform activities related to your course. The following steps will guide you through the process of signing up for a Microsoft account. First, run a browser and navigate to www.outlook.com. Next, click the link and then follow the on-screen instructions to sign up for a free Microsoft account. Then, browse the resources available to you in your Microsoft account. Next, if assigned by your instructor, compose and send a new email message from your Microsoft account to your instructor stating that you have signed up for a Microsoft account successfully. Then, add your instructor's contact information. Next, add contact information for at least 3 more people or your classmates. Then, add your birthday to the calendar. And finally, edit your Microsoft account profile to add more contact and work information. So for your exercises, navigate and view your new Outlook.com email account. How can you see yourself using the various features in your newly created Microsoft account? Congratulations, students! You have successfully created your Microsoft account. Good job! And you can open solve problems with technology in multiple ways. At this time, you are going to determine a solution to the problem by using one or more resources available to you. At this time, you are going to describe your solution along with the resources used in a presentation format like Microsoft PowerPoint. Submit it in our Google Classroom. Congratulations, students! You have found solution to a given problem. Good job! Now it's time for you to write your reflection. I hope you had fun studying computer and IT industries. For our next lesson, we will continue to discover and learn the IT professions and career. You can still watch the replay of this episode on YouTube. Have fun! Once again, this is your IT teacher, Ma'am Pao, saying, quality education will be achieved when one is eager to learn and innovative.